So this food's been here for a couple minutes. I've been holding it, making them sit and stay calm. Calm. No, calm. I didn't say twirl. Stay calm. Good job. And I pushed all the food to the sides. That way they can eat their own. See if they catch on to it. I don't put up with aggressive eaters. I don't put up with people putting their feet in the bowl. Move, belly! Move! I don't put up with any aggression when they're eating. I tell them when I give them the food, they don't just get the food. It's a gift from me to them because I love them and I want them to grow and get big.